So the kitten has just jumped up with Miriam and Chloe. It's first thing in the morning. And I'm just going to zoom down. You might even be able to hear the sucking. This is very, very unusual. The kitten loves both dogs. And they're actually in the front of my store. Just going to zoom down again. They have a wonderful relationship between them. But Chloe and Hannah, it almost looks like it's her baby because of their coloring. Once again, Hannah's back in nursing. I'm going to close up. You can hear her purring. This is so unusual. She's making sure she's getting a good spot. Just going to move Chloe's leg over a bit so we can see her. Chloe's cleaning her. Miriam's being a bit of a goof, rolling around. Okay, Miriam, it would help if you just stayed put. Oh, Chloe's going to clean Miriam. Miriam's going to clean Hannah. We have this whole cleaning fest going on here. Everybody's getting in the picture. Try and go down. So this is certainly Hannah's well named, which means well favored and loved. She's chewing on the back of Miriam's leg. It's quite the relationship between these two dogs. And we've only had Hannah for 2.5 weeks. Oh, she's going to do a little playtime, I think. She wants to check out the camera. Oh, I think she just wants to go over and do a little grooming.